Hi Trumpets, in today's video, Accent Book 2, page 14. In page 14, or on page 14, the new note that we need to review in the upper left-hand corner is high C sharp, first and second valve. High C sharp lives in the third space of our treble clef. In the middle of the page, two 16th notes and an 8th note. Now, the two 16th notes come before the 8th note. On our last video, we had the 8th note and two 16th notes. Here, the pattern is reversed. The counting for two 16ths and an 8th is 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4 E and, 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4 E and. Oftentimes, words have syllables that match these rhythm patterns. I often think apple pie for two 16th notes and an 8th because it has the same syllables in the word that match that rhythm pattern. Let's try that, and let's add our counting of two 16ths and an 8th to number 45, more 16ths. This exercise has F sharp and C sharp, so we'll be using our new C sharp fingering, and it also uses our two 16ths and an 8th, our apple pie rhythm. Ready? 1 and 2 E and, ready and go. Let's do it again. And 1, 2, ready and go. Great. Number 46 is Tafta Hindi. This is an Arabic folk song. We'll need to play measures 1, 2, 3, and 4 twice, as there's a repeat sign after measure 4. And then we'll continue on to the end of the song from 5 until the end. When you play the first 4 measures, make sure you play them forte first time, piano the second time. We're in 2/4 time with a B flat in our key signature. So we'll need our B flat first fingers. Be careful in measure 4 as there's a C sharp in that one measure. 1 and 2, ready, set, go. Wonderful. Make sure that you know that you can pause and practice, rewind and review that exercise again if you need to. Take the time, pause, practice it, and then come back and review it. You'll be proud of yourself for the progress you've made. Number 47 is a French-Canadian folk song, and it's also in 2/4 time, and it also has 4 measures that get repeated. But this time, they're on the second line. And once we've repeated them, we're still not done. We'll need to go back to the very beginning and play to the word fine. In total, we'll play this number 47 through 2 times, but in an order decided by the composer. 1 and 2 and ready and go. Great. Find a measure in there or two that give you a struggle and work on them. Pick them out and practice them 3 times. Then go back and see if you can put them back together with the rest of the song. Number 48 is Pas de Pan, and it's a French folk song. It's got 2 flats, B flat and E flat. Remember, low E flat, that's 2 and 3. High E flat, that's 2. And finally, this is in cut time. So those quarter notes at the beginning won't get 1 beat, they'll get half of a beat each, turning them into something that would sound like eighth notes, because cut time takes the value of our traditional notes and cuts them in half. 1 and 2 and ready and go and play. Let's play it again. 1, 2, ready, and go. Our last exercise is accent on trumpet. And it's kind of lip slur or partial based on our trumpet. In the first 2 measures, we'll use our first valve only. And in the third and fourth measure, we'll not use any valves. 1 and the 2 and ready, go. And there you have it, the accent on trumpet, number 49. So I hope today's video has been helpful, and I hope that you'll come back and use it again if you need to. As I always say, until I see you next time, keep practicing.